Hello everyone and welcome to the 6th match in round 3 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Mannings Hill Primary from St. Andrew up against Mandeville Primary from Manchester. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Mandeville Primary won. They decided that Mannings Hill Primary should play first. So Mannings Hill Primary with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance the Educator clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. In the book of Genesis, on which day was the sun, moon, and stars created?
The fourth day.
Correct. Mandeville Primary, Bible knowledge. What was created on the third day in the story of the creation in the book of Genesis? Correct. Science, Mannings Hill. What does oxygen help the body's cells to release?
Waste.
Incorrect. Energy. Science to you, Mandeville Primary. Which gas does the circulatory system help to eliminate whilst also taking away waste?
Carbon dioxide.
Correct. Mannings Hill, International Affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Errol Barrow.
Incorrect. Dean Barrow, former Prime Minister of Belize. International Affairs to you, Mandeville Primary. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Raul Castro.
Incorrect. Daniel Medina of the Dominican Republic. Mannings Hill, English language. Does the word protrude mean to jut, obstruct, or omit?
Obstruct.
Incorrect. Jut. English language to you, Mandeville Primary. Does the word savvy mean shrewdness, ignorant, or strange?
Strange.
Incorrect. Shrewdness. Mannings Hill, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Nicole Kidman.
Incorrect. Amy Adams. Television to you, Mandeville Primary. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Bradley Stephen Perry.
Incorrect. Henry Cavill. Mannings Hill, general knowledge. In which U.S. state is the capital city of Little Rock?
Ohio.
Incorrect. Arkansas. Mandeville Primary, general knowledge. In which U.S. state is the capital city of Springfield?
Maryland.
Incorrect. Illinois. Mannings Hill, social studies. In what year was slavery abolished in Jamaica?
1838.
Correct. Social studies, Mandeville Primary. In what year did Jamaicans first vote on the universal adult suffrage?
1944. 1944.
Correct. Music to you, Mannings Hill. Which international gospel artist released a popular song called Break Every Chain?
CeCe Winans.
Incorrect. Tasha Coombs. Music to you, Mandeville Primary. Which international gospel artist released the song Bless the Lord, Son of Man?
Tamela Man.
Incorrect. Ty Tribbett. Mannings Hill, mathematics. What is the sum of 3.98 and 166.47?
$170.45.
Correct. Mandeville Primary, mathematics. What is the sum of 2.31 and 107.89?
109.20.
Incorrect. 110.20. Mannings Hill Primary, sports. Jamaican affairs. In which town in Hannibal was national hero Sir Alexander Bustamante born?
Benin.
Judges? Correct. Jamaican Affairs 2 Mandeville Primary. In which town in Manchester was national hero Norman Manley born?
Roxborough. Roxborough.
Correct. And that is the end of Section 1. The scores currently read Mandeville Primary and Mannings Hill Primary both tied on 4. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, remember to buckle up every time you go into a car. And also remember to put on a helmet when you ride your bicycle. Safety comes first. Stay with us. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is next on the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz.